Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you we discuss with you Burn XT Thermogenic Fat Burner review. So you might be wondering what is the Burn XT that you may be hearing online. Well, Burn XT here is a thermogenic fat burner made by Jacked Factory, positioned around boosting metabolism, increasing energy, and supporting fat loss, alongside a training and diet program. Now, per 2 capsule serving here, the formula lists acetyl L-carnitine HCI around 700 milligrams, green tea leaf extract standardized to around, in this case, to 98% polyphenols and 45% EGCG, like for 450 milligrams, and caffeine anhydrous around like 270 milligram, Max cayenne pepper fruit extract around 50 milligrams, and bioperine black pepper extract around 5 milligrams. Capsules are, in this case, high pro melose vegetarian with L-leucine as a filler. Now, it's manufactured in FDA registered and GMP certified facility according to them. Now, how to exactly use this? Now, for initial use here, so you need to start with 1 capsule with a meal for at least like a week to assess tolerance. Now, regular use moves to 1 capsule twice daily with meals. Experienced users may go up to like 2 capsules twice daily, and the label advises not taking it on an empty stomach. Avoid use within like 5 to 6 hours of bedtime and not exceeding 4 capsules in a 24-hour period. Now, Jack Factory recommends 60 days of consistent use alongside diet and exercise, plus drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Now, it's intended for healthy adults 18 and older. Now, the product listing notes possible side effects tied to its acetyl L-carnitine content. So that includes stomach upset, nausea, and headache, and its caffeine content, which in this case includes irritability or increased heart rate, sleeplessness, so due to caffeine, and recommends consulting a healthcare professional before starting using this specific product, and as with any kind of supplements out there. Now, for the pricing side here, a 60-count bottle, which is a 30-day supply at 2 capsules per day, is listed at around a regular pricing of $29.99. Now, often discounted to around $19.99, as you can see here now, with a 120-count bottle also available at a higher price point. Now, it's sold through the official Jack Factory site as well as retailers like Amazon, Vitamin Shop, and Muscle and Strength, and in this case, subscriptions orders can get an additional discount via a promo code at the checkout here if you try ordering from their website. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.